आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का सोल्यूशन 3 का सोल्यूशन डिस्कस करेंगे। चैप्टर 4 चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो असाइनमेंट का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में ए एंड बी दो पार्टनर्स हैं, उनकी ओल्ड रेशो इक्वल है 1:1 और उनकी न्यू रेशो 4:4:3 है। In this question, we have to calculate the partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. So for this, we have to calculate sacrificing ratio, and we know that the formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Partner A, partner B. Partner A's old ratio is 1/2 minus 4/7, 1/2 minus 3/7. So, partner A has gain due to change in profit sharing ratio and partner B has sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. So, this question is solved now. Now we have to find the answer of question number 4. So, in question number 4, there are three partners, Raj, Rohit and Rohan. Their old ratio is 2:3:5 and their new ratio is 2:5:3. In this question, we have to calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. For this, we have to calculate sacrificing ratio, which is old ratio minus new ratio. So partner Raj, Rohit and Rohan. Partner Raj has no gain and no sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. Partner Rohit has a gain due to change in profit sharing ratio. Partner Rohan has a sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. Now we are discussing question number 5 also. Question number 5. In this question, we have three partners A, B and C. Their old ratio is 4:3:1 and their new ratio is 5:4:3. In this question, we have to calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio, as we have done in previous questions also. So for this, we also sacrificing ratio, which is old ratio minus new ratio. For partner A, partner B, partner C, old ratio is, new ratio is, so partner A has sacrifice, partner B has also sacrifice, and partner C has gain due to change in profit sharing ratio. And in question number 6, X and Y are two partners. Their old ratio is equal ratio, which is 1:1. Their new ratio is 2:3. In this question, we have to calculate partners' gain or sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. This question is also same as previous question. We have to calculate sacrificing ratio, which is old ratio minus new ratio. Partner X for partner Y, 1/2 minus 2/5, 1/2 minus 3/5. Partner X has sacrificed and partner Y has gained due to change in profit sharing ratio.